Welcome to W Singapore, Sentosa Cove, where striking design meets the quiet charm of waterfront living. In this video, we're stepping inside one of the most talked about resorts in Singapore, a striking, design-led escape tucked deep within the exclusive enclave of Sentosa Cove. From marina view suites and a 24/7 pool scene to curated dining and yacht-side sunsets, we'll explore what really defines a stay at W Singapore, beyond the glossy photos. Thinking about booking, or just curious what it's like behind the scenes, this is your unfiltered, no-fluff guide to W Sentosa. Let's take a look. Singapore Sentosa Cove is located about 30 minutes from Changi Airport, on the resort-style island of Sentosa. It's ideal if you're after a laid-back yet luxurious stay, set away from the city buzz, surrounded by tranquil waters, luxury residences, and the quiet prestige of an integrated marina lifestyle. The moment you enter the hotel, you're met with a whimsical take on tropical elegance, a rainforest-inspired lobby, orchid motifs, touches of peacock blue, and soft nods to Singapore's natural heritage. Bold artwork fills the space, including original pieces by Andy Warhol, adding a gallery-like edge to the playful design. We stayed in the Marvelous Suite, a spacious open-plan layout with a generous living room, a bedroom that opens up to views of Sentosa Cove Marina and smart technology throughout. But the true standout, the oversized balcony connecting both rooms, offering a panoramic view of the yachts, palm trees, and early morning light that feels like a private slice of the island. The bathroom is sleek and spa-inspired, with a deep soaking tub, ambient lighting, and just enough edge to stay true to the W brand. It's luxurious and functional, though the strong color schemes and artistic accents might not appeal to minimalists. At the heart of the resort lies the wet pool, one of the largest resort pools in Singapore, and undeniably one of its most photogenic. Open 24/7 and framed by lush palms, shaded cabanas, and sunbeds, it's a space that shifts in mood throughout the day. Mornings are peaceful, ideal for a quiet swim. Afternoons bring in a bit more buzz. And by evening, soft lighting and background beats set the stage for a livelier, more social vibe. For guests who like to stay active, the Fit Gym is available 24 hours a day. It's compact but well-equipped, offering everything from high-performance cardio machines to free weights, resistance stations, and functional training gear. Floor-to-ceiling windows let in natural light, which makes workouts feel a little less like routine and more like part of the resort experience. W Singapore offers 3 main dining and social venues: the Kitchen Table, Skirt, and Woo Bar, each with its own rhythm and character. The Kitchen Table is the hotel's all-day dining restaurant, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The setting is casual and bright, with a sleek, minimalist design and a menu that spans the globe, from Asian stir-fries and fresh salads to Western comfort food. A highlight here is the Sunday Brunch, a curated dining experience featuring seasonal produce, fresh seafood, and indulgent desserts. Guests can choose from indoor seating, a breezy terrace by the pool, or outdoor tables with unobstructed views of the marina. Paired with a live DJ set, the vibe leans more toward a relaxed beach club than a traditional hotel restaurant. Perfect for slow, sun-soaked afternoons that stretch effortlessly into the evening.
The first day I saw you seems long ago. I still remember it was so cold.
Skirt is signature restaurant and the most refined of the three. Located just steps from the marina, it's built around the art of open fire cooking. The interior is moody and intimate, combining leather textures, soft lighting and an industrial edge. Here, the focus is on premium cuts, langshutimeni dryage, in-house, oxus served with elevated sides and bold presentation. But it's not just for meat lovers. The menu also includes fresh seafood and well-crafted vegetarian dishes, all designed to pair with a thoughtfully curated wine list. As day turns to night, Wu Bar becomes the social pulse of the resort. More than just a hotel bar, it's a visually striking lounge where cocktails and music take center stage. Think velvet sofas, ambient lighting, and DJ sets that evolve with the evening. The drink menu is ever-changing, often experimental, and served with a dash of theatrical flair. Whether you're stopping by for a pre-dinner drink, settling in with friends, or ending your night in style, Wu Bar offers a distinctly W spin on Singapore nightlife. Just a short stroll from W Sentosa Cove is Quayside Isle, a charming waterfront promenade lined with upscale restaurants, boutique shops, and front-row views of the marina. Whether you're enjoying brunch by the sea or catching the sunset with a glass of wine, the atmosphere is relaxed, stylish, and distinctly local. For golf enthusiasts, Sentosa Golf Club, one of the most prestigious golf clubs in Asia, is just 5 minutes away by car. And for those craving adventure on the water, 1 Degree 15 Marina is right next door. One of the most convenient and scenic ways to explore Singapore's southern islands is by chartering a private yacht. Popular routes include St. John's Island and Lazarus Island, known for their quiet beaches and clear waters. In our next video, we'll take you on board and share the full yacht experience, so stay tuned for that. W Singapore is not your typical resort. It's bold, design-led, and distinctly lifestyle-focused, built around music, mood, and social energy. If you're seeking a tranquil escape away from the city and prefer to stay within the resort to enjoy its poolside vibe, live DJ sets, curated dining, and family-friendly entertainment, this could be a great fit. There's more than enough here to keep both adults and children engaged without ever needing to leave the property. That said, it's worth noting, W Sentosa is not the most convenient base if you're planning to explore Singapore's major landmarks or want quick access to the city centre. Its location in the secluded Sentosa Cove makes it ideal for a self-contained retreat. Less so for those after fast-paced sightseeing. Ultimately, W Singapore is best suited for travelers who appreciate a stylish, family-friendly environment with a strong personality, one that blends tropical serenity with a playful, social edge. If that sounds like your kind of escape, you'll likely feel right at home here. Thanks for watching this exclusive review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insider looks at the world's most luxurious hotels, resorts, and experiences. Still exploring your perfect stay in Singapore. In our upcoming episodes, we'll uncover more of the city's top destinations, from 5-star hotels to gourmet dining and unforgettable adventures. And if you're ready to take your travels to the next level, let RSBU Travel design your bespoke experience with private yacht charters, Michelin star dining reservations, the best tour guides and curated itineraries from tailor-made getaways to VIP access around the world. We make luxury travel effortless. The world is waiting. Let's explore it together.